And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. So I'm going to be showing what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, maybe some like snacks in between. I asked you guys whether you wanted it in vlog style or like in a formal way, and you guys voted vlog style, so here's the vlog. Today I'm going to be having some granola and yogurt with some strawberries as well. So it's like a pretty stunning breakfast, to be honest. So yeah, I'm going to go make that for you guys. I woke up later than I wanted to today, which is super annoying because I literally couldn't go to sleep yesterday. Like, I went to bed at, I say like something to 1, that's really early for me, and I didn't go into bed until 4 o'clock when I checked my phone, so I'm super annoyed. I didn't know whether to make up today. I might not do it, but I want to like maybe put on some eyeshadow and concealer, but we will see. Okay, I'm downstairs in the kitchen now. So I have my Greek yogurt. This is the full fat one. Don't judge. Simply Jordan's granola with a hint of honey. This is my favorite because I don't really like the ones with like the raisins in. I have some honey, which I absolutely love. Chia seeds, of course, and then I've got strawberries as well. These strawberries, these are my last 2 strawberries, and they look absolutely disgusting, but we move. These are actually disgusting, but I'm gonna chop them up and see what we can salvage. I'm gonna put like 2 dollops in there because I don't think I want that much today. So actually, I might. Oh my gosh, there's a cat. That is a big fat cat. Okay, I'm gonna put 1.5. So there you go. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some granola in. And then I'm gonna mix it to see if I need to add more granola or less granola. Yeah, this consistency is really good. But now I'm gonna chop up the strawberries and see if they actually taste nice. I need to go to the shop and get more strawberries. Please do not wash my nails. My nails are absolutely disgusting and they need to be doing like ASAP, so don't wash my nails, okay? These are the strawberries. Pray for me as I pray for myself because these be looking darts. Knife because why not? It's such a cute little knife, don't you think? Just gonna add in some honey, just drizzle it on. Okay, and that is literally it, like done. This is so cute. I cannot wait to dip in. So this is the breakfast. Oh my gosh. My room is absolutely tip, but I'm just gonna eat this. Oh, I might call my mom as well, so I'll be on the phone with her whilst I eat this. So I'll give you a little taste test actually. I feel like my plant pot's gonna drop. It's like right on the edge. Anyways, taste test for y'all. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Hi.
I'm gonna have an egg and sausage muffin, like an English muffin type thing. So it's actually really filling because the bread is like so thick that it like fills you up. So I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna put the sausages in the oven and then I'm gonna fry the egg sun side up. Because I've been fasting like last week, I haven't been as hungry as I usually am. So yeah, I don't know, I kind of get hungry like later towards the day now, which is weird, but that's how my body is right now. I'm gonna have some water now actually, because I feel like I haven't drank enough water. I try and drink a lot of water throughout the day just by using this bottle. But yeah, make sure you drink water. It just helps with your body and stuff. Today I did a workout actually and my muscles are like hurting, but I'm actually okay with that. You know when you go to the gym and your muscles hurt the next day, like I feel like I love that pain and feeling because I worked out, do you know what I mean? But I'm gonna try and do another workout today, maybe abs, not legs. I feel like my legs are in pain, so I'm probably gonna do some stretching and then do a workout as well, so I'll probably do that later. But yeah, I'm excited to have this egg muffin sandwich. I'm gonna put the sausages in the oven. I usually do them in the oven so I don't have to like keep an eye on them like when I do it on the pan. I just find that easier so you can like do other things at the time. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs now. We have new foil actually, so she's new, she's ready to be used. Oh gosh, I think just wrecked it. These are the sausages that I'm going to be using. These are literally the standard. These come as stuff, yeah. I was the Smart Price ones that I got ages ago. But it's set. First of all, let's turn the oven. I'm going to turn it on to 200 degrees. But yeah, it says it takes from frozen 17 to 19 minutes. So 20 minutes basically. I'm going to put 2 on. Yeah, I definitely just dropped the sausages on the floor, but gonna play on that. So I'm gonna put 2 sausages on because I'm gonna cut them in half. And so when also I've got English muffins that I've got, yeah, so I put them in these little bags, sandwich bags. I've never actually frozen these before, but I've read up online, can you freeze English muffins? I guess it's just bread anyway and you can freeze bread. So I'm gonna leave this out to kind of defrost and then put it in the toaster after. I'm gonna put the sausages in the oven now. Oh no, I've got to take all those stuff out of the oven first. So they are in the oven, and then I'm going to do egg and cheese. So I'm going to come back and do that. So I'm going to carry on editing my photos and I'll be back in like 20 minutes or so to fry the egg, and that's it really. Actually, I need to put my clothes down. So I'm going to do that whilst I wait. So I'm going to do that.
Let our faith rise up to new heights this year. May all fear and worry be silenced, and may we continue to fight the good fight. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so in this episode, I thought it'd be a good idea to kind of like reflect on 2020. Well, I wanted to talk about what kind of God has taught me in 2020. Just, you know, dipping my toes in back into like partying and going out to bars and clubs, and I think God has really taught me, like, you can't be half in and half out with anything in your life, and you really have to grow in your faith and grow in me and rely on me more than yourself, because you will fall. Your flesh, you cannot live in this world based off your fleshly desires or by your own human strength.
I feel like I burnt them. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. So I have my English muffin in the toaster. I've got the egg, got some cheese that's melting on there, and over here we have these sausages. I've just cut them in half, and they're flat. They can like be flat, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just buttering the English muffin. Not too much butter, but just enough. Yeah. And then I'm gonna add the egg. It fits perfectly on there. I'm gonna break this bit up and then just put it here. Because why not? And then I'm gonna add some sausages to it as well. Just gonna, these are really oily, oh my goodness. They are on, and I've actually run out of ketchup, but we've got like the little bit of ketchup left, which hopefully should salvage Oh my gosh, yes. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. I'm just gonna smother that on top. And then I'm just gonna add some garlic soap onto the top, like mild garlic soap. And there we have it. I feel like I put it upside down though. I don't know. But this is our little lunch. I'm gonna go and watch Girlfriends now because I started watching it again. I'm so happy. I'm on season 1, so I literally just like, well, not just started. I'm on like episode 16-ish. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch that now. I'm really excited to have this lunch. Let me give you a little cheeky taste test actually. Ooh. This is banging. It's the softness of the bread for me.
And I will treat you and everybody else like they walked in here the same.
No, correction, William. You treat every man here the same.
Black, white, man, or woman, it's not my job to babysit you or anybody else in that room. When we're in that conference room, we are competitors, and I am going to jump for any opportunity I see.
Oh, yeah,
Whoa.
you admit it then. You did step over me.
Guys, I look absolutely disgusting, but now I'm vlogging. But yeah, I'm cooking a chickpea bolognese thing. It's kind of like a made up recipe, but yeah, say hi.
Sharp, man. Yo, people, what's up? It's your boy Jugs again. As always, back with another video. There's this channel.
And then we've got this person right here.
I've never been on this channel. You know how many videos I've been on, like, with Jugs? Cut. Unprofessional shit. There's a reason why he's never on the channel.
There's a video that I have with him that's coming soon.
We're never gonna
Wink, wink.
2023.
Honestly, maybe. Who knows? Maybe 2022.
2022.
Yeah, definitely. Guys, this is the angle you guys are gonna get because the camera has to be in it, unfortunately. So yeah, we just added in some pepper. I'm gonna add in some salt. The salt comes out so fast, so I have to be really careful. Yeah, that was a lot. Yeah, let's just pull it all in because why not? Okay, and then we're gonna add in some paprika all around. This is like a seasoned bolognese. Like, I don't know how to explain this dish, but I really like it, especially with spaghetti. Adding some garlic soap as well. Some oregano or mixed herbs. I think this is. I don't know. What is this? Who knows? Just chuck it all on. And more. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up just a tad to about 6. I'm gonna mix it all together. I really wish I had the camera over here so then like it can look better, but I don't. I really feel like this angle is really bugging me. It's okay. Well, oh my gosh, okay. This is gonna be the angle. Sorry about all of it and all of this. I'm just gonna cover it. This looks so good. Like, are you guys witnessing this? It looks amazing. I feel like there should be apples in here. Like, look at all these rich colors. Like, guys, I'm adding a pineapple. I don't know if people are going to judge me about this, but I think it adds so much to it. Like, I love sweet and sour so much. I know this is not a sweet and sour dish, but this is a It's a dish, but like when you bite into the pineapple, it gives like an extra crunch. I feel like I should sit down. Okay, this is really low actually, maybe not. But yeah, guys, I look so tired and a mess. Like my edges are non-existent, and yeah. So right now I'm gonna wash the chickpeas, but my phone is like balancing on the chickpeas. So yeah, this is like, you know that game Jenga where you have to like get the things out. But yeah, I'm gonna go and wash these in the colander or cylinder, no, colander, and then I'll be back. So these are the chickpeas. I just washed them. I'm gonna put them in now. Oh, I just love cooking with like vegetables, like peas. Wonderful colours. I feel like I'm the talk show, but I'm really not. I'm gonna add some more seasoning on it as well. There's like layers of seasoning, so every time I add something, I'm gonna keep adding, if that makes sense. Put in my bolognese sauce and my chopped tomatoes now, and now I'm gonna chop up my pineapple slices, which I'm really excited about. I feel like that's what makes this bolognese so unique. Like, I think this is USP, unique selling point. I'm kidding. Oh gosh, it's literally that time of the day where I just start talking rubbish. Yep, but it's bubbling away. Also, question to you guys: do you guys break your spaghetti, or do you just put it in foil? So let me know what you guys do, because I usually break my spaghetti, but today I feel like I'm not gonna break it. I'm gonna leave it full. So this is what the bolognese is looking like at the moment, and this is the whole wheat pasta. I'm gonna plate it up in this plate. I also added in pineapple juice into that as well from the tin, just a bit. I actually don't like pineapple juice on its own, which is weird because I like pineapple. If you want it to have more liquid, add in liquid like water, or add in more of their bolognese sauce. Some pepper on top. I feel like I've added so much pepper and some garlic soap, because garlic soap and cheese is amazing. I feel like that was a lot again. Oh my gosh. Like an absolute state. I'm so sorry. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. I'm about to eat this beast. And yeah, I think I'm gonna watch Social Dilemma on Netflix, because I've been hearing a lot about it for ages and I just want to watch it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you really like this video, then give it a like and be sure to hit that notification button as well so you do not miss a video, and be sure to follow my Instagram, and I will see you in my next video.